Discover the incredible advantages that grapes bring to your health. Antioxidants. Grapes are packed with antioxidants like resveratrol, shielding you from chronic illnesses and promoting heart health. Skin health. Grapes' antioxidants combat free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Digestive health. Grapes' fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation for a happy tummy. Hydration. With their high water content, grapes keep you hydrated and refreshed. Immune support. Vitamin C in grapes boosts your immune system, keeping you strong. Eye health. Grapes contain lutein and zeaxanthin, essential for maintaining good eyesight. Brain health. Resveratrol in grapes supports cognitive function, keeping your mind sharp. Weight management. Low in calories, grapes make for a guilt-free snack, aiding in weight control. Blood sugar control. Compounds in grapes help regulate blood sugar levels, crucial for overall well-being. Anti-inflammatory. Grapes possess anti-inflammatory properties, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporate grapes into your diet for these fantastic benefits. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread the goodness. Stay healthy and happy.